in full color. Kaway-kaway naman dyan, guys, from LBU.
Wow! Mukhang marami tayo mga basketball players from their school, and we also have a very beautiful muse. Ayan, kaway-kaway naman tayo.
Lyceum Bloom, celebrating excellence in full color, features fresh flowers and fruits from Davao City, showcasing the vibrant beauty of our region, highlighting the LBU Davao campus. It symbolizes our dedication to excellence in education within a flourishing environment and celebrating Kanayawan sa Davao.
Ayan, once again from LBU, kaway-kaway! Wow, grabe dyan ang unity dito sa Davao City.
You know what guys, sa kanilang tao pa doon, all of us are so excited and celebrating this year's Kanayawan Festival. So I would like to remind everyone, of course, from our live audience sa mga